Hello everyone, my name is Asong from Dingli. Now let me introduce our Walktour Pack. This one can be used for both indoor testing and outdoor testing. You can see that our Walktour Pack consists of 3 parts. One is the Android tablet and the controller and the backpack. On the controller, there are 7 phone holders, so we may support at least 8 mobile phones. And you can see that on the top of the controller there are 6 USB ports, means we can connect 6 more external devices like this, like the actual mobile phones. Connect here, and you can see at the back of the controller there's a scanner holder. We can insert a battery and a scanner inside this holder. This battery is for the scanner. The scanner now we support is RS-TSME6. It connected with the controller via the Ethernet cable. Then we can put it into the backpack. For indoor test, we just need to create an indoor project. Put this mobile phone to the groups and edit the different test plan for different group. For every phone can support voice call, data test, FTP, HTTP, video, ping, speed test, SMS, and OTT, the app test, like WeChat, game, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, or the other test. So let me take example. For the eye test for the group 1, ping test for the group 2, test time, ping IP address, HTTP web browser for group 3, group 4 for the idle test. Then for inbuilding map, we may do the pinpoint manually or use the gyroscope. And here, import the inbuilding map first. Then start test. And you may check all the mobile phone's status in real time. See if every terminal works fine or not. And continue to test. When you are performing the test, you can get a real-time statistic result here. Ping, HTTP, voice, FTP. Click this page to get a real-time result. When you finish the test, just click the stop. Car battery to charge the whole system. See the light? Now the light of power is off. I use the classical lighter to charge it. See, now the light is on. Then even we can take out the battery. We do not use the battery, just use the classical lighter to charge